Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So previously I've mentioned about how to calculate moment in 3D. Okay, we use vector r, which is distance, cross product with vector f, okay, which is also a vector. So vector cross product with vector. Okay, if you want to calculate moment 2D, what you need to do is that you need to make sure that the force must be perpendicular with the distance. Okay, if this is a force and this is the rotation point, so you need to make sure, okay, the force and also the distance is 90 degree. Okay, but for moment 3D, no need for you to consider 90 degree. No need. Okay, you can use whatever distance and you can use whatever force. Okay, but you need to make sure that the distance, okay, is the distance from the rotation point, okay, the moment point there, up until the line of force. That's it. Okay, so let's look at this figure. This one here is the line of force and this is the rotation point. Okay, so this one here, rotation point. Okay, this is the moment point. Okay, and the distance is from here, we have RA, which is the distance from here until this line of force here. Okay, which is RA. Okay, and we have another distance, okay, from the rotation point until this one, okay, until point B, which is RB. Okay, and we have a third distance, which is from here until point C, which is RC. So all of this distance, okay, from this origin O here, okay, all of this distance is from this origin up until this line of force here, okay, the red line here. Okay, this is the line of force. Okay, let me label it. Line of force, and R here is our distance. So when we want to calculate the moment, which is this one, okay, MO here, to calculate MO in vector, okay, it is R vector also cross product with F. So we only have one F, but we have three R, RA, RB, and also RC. So when I mentioned earlier that we can use any distance to calculate moment, means that to calculate moment at O, we can use RA cross product with F is also equals to RB cross product with F, and also equals to RC cross product with F. So it might sound difficult to imagine, okay, how can this RA, which is totally different than RB, which is totally different than RC, okay, can produce the same result when we cross product with F. Okay, so this is the special part of moment in 3D. Okay, we don't have it in 2D because in 2D we need to make it 90 degree no matter what when we want to calculate the moment. But for 3D, no need for you to think about 90 degree, but you need to make sure that, okay, if this is the force, okay, you need to make sure that the distance is from the rotation point until the line of force. Okay, any direction is okay, but you need to make sure the distance is R here from the rotation point until the line of force, just like this diagram. Okay, so in the next video I will show you one question on how to calculate moment in 3D, and I will also show you this one, okay, the proof that you can use any distance to calculate moment but you need to make sure that the distance is from the rotation point until the line of force. Okay, so see you again in the next video. Bye bye.